Hello class. Today we're going to talk about place value, decimals, and reading decimals. You don't have to take any notes. I just want you to watch the videos and be ready to take notes when we get to class tomorrow.
The digits, they each have a name. Memorize and understand them is the game. We start at the decimal, to the left we move. Each place is 10 times bigger, multiply them and we prove. The digits, they fit in so tight. Greater to the left and lesser to the right. Starting at the decimal, sandwich in between. Zeros hold up empty places, haven't you seen? Well, the digits, each one means a lot. You can't leave them out of the place value spot. Well, reading big numbers, each comma's a word. Thousand, million, billion commas, haven't you heard? Word, ones, tens, and hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, billions, 10 million, 100 billions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Let's take it to the right of the decimal point. We've got tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Smaller than a one with a TH. The digits, they each have a name. Memorize them, understand them is the game. We start at the decimal, to the left we move. Each place is 10 times bigger, multiply them and we prove. The digits, they fit in so tight. Greater to the left and lesser to the right. Starting at the decimal, sandwich in between. Zeros hold up empty places, haven't you seen? Well, the digits, they each one means a lot. You can't leave them out of the place value spot. Well, reading big numbers, each comma's a word. Thousand, million, billion commas, haven't you heard? Word, ones, tens, and hundreds. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000. Millions, 10 million, 100 millions. Millions, 10 billion, 100 millions. Let's take it to the right of the decimal point. We've got tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Smaller than a one with a TH.
Dot. When you think about the word decimal, you might think about a dot. This dot is called a decimal point, and it separates parts of a whole number from the whole number. These parts are called decimals. A decimal is a number less than 1. Whole numbers, also called units, are greater than or equal to 1. The decimal point basically signifies "and" as a way to separate these two different kinds of numbers. Decimals are found to the right of the decimal point, and units are found to the left. If you want to write out 4 whole units and 12 decimal parts, it would look like this. You can read this as 4.12, or as 4 and 12 100ths. The decimal number system is based on preceding powers of 10. This means it's a series of numbers where each number is 10 times bigger or smaller than the last. If we move to the left of the decimal point, each position is 10 times bigger. If we move to the right, each position is 10 times smaller. When we encounter decimals in everyday life, from money to distance to time, we usually only take into account the tenths and hundredths place values. And now you know how to work with decimals.
You read them when you deal with money amounts like this, $12.70. This is a decimal number. Instead of saying cents, we say hundredths when we read the number, 12 and 70 hundredths. This is 9 and 4 hundredths. What's this? Yes, 18 and 60 hundredths. What's this? Yes, 6 and 18 hundredths. And what is this? Yes, 2 and no hundredths. When you read decimal numbers, the digits on the left side of the decimal point tell about the number of wholes. The digits on the right side tell about the fraction or part that's added to the wholes. 1 and 6/100 is 1 whole and 6/100 more. How many wholes are in this number? Yes, 9. And what fraction? Yes, 18/100. How many wholes in this number? Yes, 5. And what fraction? Yes, 75/100. When you write decimal numbers, write the whole numbers on the left side of the decimal point and the fractional part after the decimal point. Not all decimal numbers are hundredths numbers. Some are tenths numbers, some are thousandths, and some are 10,000ths.
Okay, class, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in class.